On December 14, FE's annual winter assembly was canceled, leaving performing arts and teachers having to suddenly readjust to this new change. Let's hear from the co-directors of the assembly to see their thoughts about the situation.
My name is Robbie Macy. I'm a senior and I am part of the FEHS Theater program, and I am the technical director for the Winter Assembly.
Hi, I'm Haley. I'm also a senior. I'm also a part of the FEHS Theater program, and I am the director of the Winter Assembly.
So the Winter Assembly was a combination of a performing arts assembly, choir, band, theater, all coming together to put on a Christmas show, and we were basing it off of The Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. The amount of work that we put in collectively as a group, we put in a lot of hours. When did we start writing it?
I think late October.
Yeah. When December hit, that's when we started directing and coming up with characters and stuff like that, and then we incorporate the other performing arts.
And with writing the script, it went through a lot of changes and stuff, getting to know when choir was going, when band was going, and adding that into the script and just revising and going over it.
So the Winter Assembly was canceled because of COVID guidelines inside. We just can't have thousands of people packed inside the gym all at once. For us and everyone else in the performing arts groups, it was just punch in the face. We were right there. The good thing was we got the experience of directing and writing costumes and casting and as an assembly, not so much as a show.
Dealing with all the changes and challenges was really hard, but in the end, it really did bring us closer. It's still going to be just as fun and just as exciting for the students.
Pretty much. With the Winter Assembly, we learned how to learn the basics of preparing it. It was a good learning experience.
Definitely. For the next assembly, I'm really looking forward to working with all my actors again. Cambria, I love how sweet you are, but be more mean. You're teaching this guy a lesson. Hey, it's my turn. It was a lot of fun working with everybody last time, and getting to do that again is going to be so much fun. Building a different set, and finding different costumes is just going to be so much fun.
Stay tuned for the next assembly.